In this video, we're going to show you how to replace the driver's side taillight circuit board on your Dodge Ram located on the back side of your taillight. The process for this is the same as the passenger side. You use a T15 Torx bit on this screw here, and there's one right up on the top here. You're going to loosen and remove these. At this point here, you can go ahead and slowly start to work the tail light out of the body, like so. On the back side, we're going to press down on this little retainer clip and remove the harness from the tail light. Using a Phillips head screwdriver, we're going to remove the two screws, top and bottom. Once these screws are removed, we'll go ahead and carefully separate this here. Now on your taillight, you may have other screws on the side here. Ours, one had broken there from a previous someone being in here, and that one there was missing. But here we have our circuit board. I'm going to go ahead and match this up. Let's go ahead and swap over the bulbs. I'm going to grab the bulbs. Go ahead and pull that out and insert it into the new one. When doing this here, you want to make sure you're wearing gloves. You don't want to touch the bulbs with your bare hands. The oils on your skin can ruin the bulbs. Make sure that all three are pressed in. We have our O-ring seals here. Make sure the O-rings are pressed down. Going to flip that over, insert it, and install the screws. Going to get both of these started by hand first, and go ahead and snug them down. Take your connector, line that up, press it on. You can feel it and hear it snap into place. Now you have two studs on the back that are going to line up with the holes in the body. Pop that in, install your two screws, and we'll snug those down. And just snug those in. They don't have to be super tight. You're all set.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.